Chapter 10. Adventure in Artificial Intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to learn and deal with new situations. When a computer or a robot solves a problem or uses language, it may seem to be intelligent. However, this type of intelligence is different from human intelligence. This is artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence comes from sets of instructions that people write. These instructions are called programs. Computers use programs to analyze or study large amounts of information quickly. Then, they pick answers or actions from among many choices. Computer programs can be used for playing games, making medical decisions, translating languages, and even designing computers. In other words, artificial intelligence, AI, is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. It is also a field of study which tries to make computers smart. AI can help machines think and learn like people. Advantages of artificial intelligence. We use technology every day and it helps us in many ways. AI makes things like talking robots, smart games and helpful apps work better. The advantages of AI are limitless, as AI is touching various sectors in today's time. Let's read some advantages of AI. Reduction in human error. Artificial intelligence has the advantage of reducing errors and increasing accuracy and precision. AI makes every decision based on the information gathered previously and algorithms. If properly programmed, these errors are minimized. Zero risk. Humans can avoid many risks by assigning tasks to AI robots. Machines with metal bodies are resistant and can survive unfavorable atmospheres, whether they are defusing a bomb, traveling to space, or exploring the deepest sections of the oceans. Furthermore, they can deliver accurate work with higher responsibility. 24/7 availability. AI can work endlessly without breaks. They think much faster than humans and perform multiple tasks at a time with accurate results. They can even handle tedious repetitive jobs easily with the help of AI algorithms. Digital assistants. Some highly advanced organizations use digital assistants to interact with users, which saves the need for human resources. Digital assistants are also used on many websites to provide things that users want. You can chat with them about what you are looking for. FactGPT. Digital assistants such as Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and Apple Siri use AI to respond to specific tasks like to make a phone call or search the internet. New inventions. AI has helped in coming up with new inventions in almost every domain to solve complex problems. AI can help solve problems by providing insights from data and then use that data to make better decisions. Faster decisions. Using AI technology, you can make machines take decisions faster than a human and carry out actions quicker. While taking a decision, human will analyze many factors both emotionally and practically, but AI-powered machine works on what is programmed and deliver the results in a faster way. AI in our daily lives. Artificial intelligence has a wide range of applications in our daily lives. Some of them are given below: using search engines, navigating maps, streaming videos and songs, using face recognition, using smart devices, mobile banking, Types of AI. Based on the capabilities, artificial intelligence can be divided into mainly two categories: weak AI and strong AI. Types of AI. Weak AI. Weak AI is also called narrow AI. It is a type of artificial intelligence that is limited to a specific area. Machines powered with weak AI are designed to perform a particular task with intelligence. The digital assistants like Google Gemini, Alexa, and Siri represent weak AI. Strong AI. Strong AI is also known as full AI. Machines powered with strong AI have the mind of their own. These machines can think and accomplish multitask on their own. Sci-fi movies like Terminator and iRobot are examples of strong AI. Advanced robotics comes under strong AI. AI and robots. Robots are special machines that can do many jobs by themselves, instead of people doing them. Robots don't always look like humans or act just like us. Some robots even use AI to be smarter. They can help by serving food, teaching, helping doctors in hospitals, lifting and packing things, and even doing chores at home like cooking and cleaning. Sophia, the humanoid. Sophia is a human-like robot which marked the beginning of strong AI, depicting the future of advanced robotics and AI research. It is developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Sophia built with the latest advances in AI. It was activated on 14 February 2016. The robot Sophia has also been interviewed around the world. In October 2017, Sophia became a citizen of Saudi Arabia. This means Sophia is the first robot to receive citizenship of a country. Her ability to imitate human gestures makes her one of a kind. She speaks softly and intelligently. Sophia became very popular and gained many fans by impressing people. With the evolution of science, one could imagine the fictional dreams to become a reality with this unstoppable journey of AI. Recapitulate. Computers use programs to analyze or study large amounts of information quickly. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. Machines use past data to learn and then perform the same task without being explicitly programmed to do so. AI makes every decision based on the information gathered previously and algorithms. They think much faster than humans and perform multiple tasks at a time with accurate results. Weak AI and strong AI are the two types of AI. Robots can help serving food, teaching, helping doctors in hospitals and more. Sophia is a human-like robot developed by Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. Gloss GPT. Explicitly, communicated directly in a clear and exact way. Precision, fact of being exact and accurate. Resistant, the ability to withstand the force or effect.